Hello everyone. Today, we will tackle about Ascariasis disease caused by helminths. Ascaris is an intestinal parasite of humans. It is the most common human worm infection. It is a genus of parasitic nematode worms known as the small intestinal roundworms, which is a type of parasitic worm. One species, Ascaris lumbricoides, affects humans and causes the disease Ascariasis. Another species, Ascaris sum, typically infects pigs. Ascariasis is caused by ingesting those worms' eggs. This can happen when hands or fingers that have contaminated dirt on them are put in the mouth, or by eating vegetables or fruits that have been carefully peeled, washed, or cooked. People with Ascariasis often show no symptoms. If symptoms occur, they can be light. Its scientific name is Ascaris, phylum Nematoda. Higher classification, Ascarididae. Rank is genus. Its kingdom is Animalia. Lower classification is Ascaris lumbricoides and Ascaris sum. Ascariasis worms are typically pink or white with tapered ends. Female worms can be more than 15 inches long and a little less than a quarter inch in diameter. Male worms are generally smaller. Ascariasis is a type of roundworm infection. The characteristics of Ascaris males have a ventrally curved posterior end, and the tail is bluntly pointed. Male intestinal roundworms are 15 to 31 cm long and are 2 to 4 mm in diameter. A vulva is located in the anterior end of the female Ascaris body, and it accounts for 1/3 of the body length.
Hosts or host range. Humans and swine are the major hosts for Ascaris. See causal agents for discussion on species status of Ascaris from both hosts. Natural infections with A. lumbricoids sometimes occur in monkeys and apes. Pathogenesis or modes of infection and transmission. The pathogenesis of Ascariasis is generally related to organ damage and the host reactions to larval migration, as well as the number and location of adult worm in the body. Ascaris larvae migrating through the intestinal mucosa, liver, and lungs provoke hypersensitivity reaction in the human host. Ascariasis spreads through hand-to-mouth contact when a person touches and swallows fertilized Ascaris eggs. In places that lack adequate sanitation, people infected with Ascariasis may defecate poop outside.
Symptoms, prevention, control, and treatment. In mild or moderate Ascariasis, the intestinal infestation can cause vague abdominal pain, nausea, and vomiting, diarrhea, or bloody stools. The best way to prevent people from getting Ascariasis from humans or pig is to always do the following. First, avoid ingesting soil that may be contaminated with human or pig feces, including where human fecal matter, night soil. Wastewater or pig manure is used to fertilize crops. Also, wash your hands with soap and water after handling pigs, cleaning pig pens, and handling pig manure, and always before handling food. The treatment for Ascariasis is anti-helminthic roundworm-killing drugs taken by mouth. These include albendazole, ivermectin, and mebendazole. Albendazole and ivermectin are available for human treatment as ready-to-prescribe pills, but a compounding pharmacy must especially prepare mebendazole. Infections are generally treated from 1 to 3 days. The drugs are effective and appear to have few side effects. Ascariasis, hookworm, and whipworm are parasitic worms. They're known as soil-transmitted helminths, or STH, because the infection spreads through contaminated soil. In places that lack adequate sanitation, people infected with Ascariasis may defecate outside. And in order to prevent Ascariasis, people should take the precautionary measures and ensure the safety and net hygiene.